Hello, dear students. Welcome back to our new class. How are you, everyone? I think you are well, and I am also well by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am Muhammad Humayun Kabir, Assistant Teacher, English Medium Senior Section, Sector 7. Now I am going to conduct OCW number 28. Before starting the class, I want to review OCW number 27. In our OCW number 27, we have learned construction 2 and 3. In construction 2, we have learned how to copy a line segment. And in construction 3, we have learned how to draw a perpendicular bisector of a line segment. Now, let's start our today's class. Our today's class is OCW number 28. Here, we will learn construction 4 and 5 and we will follow the method 2. Now, first question, construction 4. What is the question? Here, question is draw a perpendicular to a line through a point on it. Okay. So here we will draw a perpendicular to a line through a point. So at first I will show you how to draw this one. After that we will write there construction 4. So here listen, here draw a perpendicular to a line. That means here we need a line and a point. So at first we will take a line and a point. Okay. By the help of ruler you will take the line. Okay. Now A, B. Suppose AB is a line. Okay. And here a point on a line AB, on the line AB a point P. Now we will draw a perpendicular through this point. Okay, understood? So here at first right here let AB is a line and P is a point on the line AB. We are to draw a perpendicular to the line AB through the point P. So here what will we do? Here we have a line and a point on this line. Now we will draw perpendicular through this point. Okay. Now everyone write in your CW copy. Now look at here. This is the pencil compass and it is a pointer. So taking the suitable radius, here this pointer you will set on the point P. Okay. So here you will set like this way. After that, taking the suitable radius, any radius, here you will draw one arc. Here we will draw one arc. Okay. So look at here. Here this arc intersect the line AB, this point and this point. So suppose this point is x and this point is y. Okay, so here now we will write whatever we have done. So step 1, step step 1, with P as a center, draw an arc with suitable radius which intersects the line AB at 2 points, say x and y. So what will we do? At first we will draw here one arc. So this arc intersect the line AB here for this point and this point. Say this point is x and this point is y. Now our second step. Okay, so in our second step, what will we do? Here we will take the radius greater than xp. So we will take the radius greater than xp. Okay, so look at here, this is greater than xp. Greater than xp. We will take the radius greater than xp. After that, here x as a center, that means this pointer you will set here. X as a center, will draw one arc. Okay, then taking the same radius, y as a center, we will draw another arc. Okay, so here y as a center, we will draw another arc. These two arcs cut each other here. Look at here, in this point. So we can say here this point is Q. Okay, so step 2. Step 2, taking the radius greater than xp, with x and y as centers, draw two arcs at the same side of AB. So here that cut each other, that cut each other a point. Say Q. So here what will we do? Here we will draw two arcs, x as a center, x and y center. Then we will draw two arcs. These two arcs cut each other here this point. So we can say this point is Q. So here this point is Q. This is our second step. Okay. Now in our next step, what will we do? Here, look at here. Here we will join these 2 points. Here this is the P point, this point is P, and here this point is Q. We know, so we will add these 2 points P and Q. We will add P and Q. Then we will get this PQ line. This PQ line is the required perpendicular. Okay, so step 3, join P and Q. Then PQ will be the required perpendicular. So if we join P and Q, then this PQ will be the required perpendicular. I think it is very clear to you. So okay, so here everyone write in your CW copy. Now construction 5. Our next construction 5. What is the question? Question is draw a perpendicular to a line through a point not on it. That means here we need a line and a point, but this point outside the line. Okay, so here, so what will we do? At first we will take a line. Okay, by the help of ruler, here we will take a line. Suppose this is our line. This is our line A, B, and we need a point. Suppose this is the point. Okay, so this point is P. Now we will draw a perpendicular. We will draw a perpendicular through this point. Okay, so at first write with me, let AB is a line and P is a point not on the line AB. We are to draw a perpendicular to the line AB through the point P. Okay, dear students, write this one everyone in your CW copy. After that, I will show how to draw this perpendicular. Dear students, here, look at here, this is the P point P and line AB. So, this is the pencil compass you know. So, what will you do? Here, this pointer will set on the point P. Okay, P. After that, we will take the suitable radius. We will take the suitable radius. After that, here we will draw one arc. Okay, we will draw a arc. Here, taking the suitable radius P as a center, we will draw one arc. This arc, look at here, intersect point, this point and here. Okay, so here and here. So you can say here this is the x and y. So here our first step is what? P as a center. Here taking the suitable radius, we will draw one arc. This arc intersect the line AB, point x and y. So first step, write with me. Okay. Step 1, with P as a center, draw an arc with suitable radius, which intersect the line AB at 2 points. Say x and y. So say x and y. So next, what will you do? Here, taking the same radius, that means the radius equal to xp, taking the same radius here, that means equal to xp. Then taking the same radius here, x as a center, draw one arc. Draw one arc and taking the same radius y as a center, draw another arc. These two arcs cut each other here in this point. So say this point is Q. Okay. So here, next step, step 2, taking the same radius with x and y as centers draw to R's opposite side of P of AB that curves each other at a point, say Q. Now next what will we do? Next we will add P and Q. Next we will join P and Q. Okay, so if we join P and Q, then we will get PQ line. This PQ line is our required perpendicular. So step 3, join P and Q. Then PQ will be required perpendicular. So last here, if we join P and Q, then this PQ line will be our required perpendicular. So here, third step. So dear students, now write everyone in your CW copy. I think it is very clear to you. Okay, so everyone write in your CW copy. Dear students, OSW number 28. Here, OSW number 28, construction 4, method 1 and 3. Method 1 and 3, already we have learned construction 4, method 2. Now, you will, in your SW, you will do method 1 and 3 and construction 5, method 1. Here, construction 4 and 5, we have learned method 2. Now, here, you will do in your SW here first one's method 1 and 3 and second one's method 1. Okay, so dear students, up to this our today's class. So everyone you will do in your SW and you will submit on time. Okay, thank you everyone. Assalamu alaikum.